Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making creamy garlic lobster with sun-dried tomato. So let's get started. So the first step is to work on my pasta, and here I'm just adding some salt, and I'm going to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. Now here I have my lobster tails, and I'm just going to remove the shell, clean them up a bit, and rinse them off with lemon juice. And I'm just going to season them with a bit of oregano, salt, and black pepper. Now I'm just going to work on my onions, and at this point you can also chop up some garlic, or you can crush your garlic if you choose. Now I'm just going to add butter in a pan and melt my butter, then add garlic, and I'm just going to saute my garlic until it becomes fragrant. Once that's done, I'm going to add my lobster and cook my lobster for about 10 minutes. Once the lobster is cooked, just remove it from the pan, and we're going to saute some onions. Then I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes, which I add a little bit more later on in the video. And now I'm just going to add a bit of half and half. Some Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to stir that in until it's melted. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and add the lobster back to the pan, and then I'll be adding some spinach as well. At this point, you can add some cornstarch as well to help with the thickness of the sauce. But once it's done, it should look like this. Now I'm just going to drain my pasta, and I'm just going to serve. And here you have it, some creamy garlic lobster and sun-dried tomato pasta.